Welcome to my channel, and this is the video that I promised you after the first one where we were traveling from the mountain kingdom of Lesotho into London. And if you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I'll leave the link right here below. So with this video, I wanted to take you through the tour of my quarantine and just give you an experience of what it's like. Of course, I couldn't put so much into it, but I'll continue to make more content just so that you get to experience this journey with me. And I remember that I told you that I wanted to take you along, so I made it as real as possible. So you're actually going to be spending time with me here, and there's no shame in that because I said we're doing this thing together. So let's get right into it. But before we get into the part that I prepared for you, I just want you to have a look of my first video when I just came in. Check it out. Hey guys, my bedroom. Okay, let's start from the door. Okay, so I'm going to be in this room for the next 10 days. Okay, just behind the door we have the ironing board and the iron. They're actually behind the mirror. Come this side, there's a coffee station, and then we have a bag. Let's see what the bag has. Let's see what this bag has. Oh, nice one. So there's milk. There's milk in here. Okay. There's sugar. And there's English breakfast tea. Okay, I'm a tea person. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm a tea person. So I'm gonna try these things out. So yeah, let me start with you from the beginning of my day on how it actually begins. In the morning, I get up and yeah, it's 7:10 today because I was really tired from the traveling. And what I will do is that I will just want to see and look at the weather outside, because in London you never know. Like today here it is, it's raining, and oh well, at least it gives me that breath of fresh air through the window. Yeah, but first of all, I'd like to start first by just collecting my thoughts in the morning, and what helps me do that most of the time is just reading the word. And I believe here today the scripture that I was reading was in Romans chapter 12 verse 2, which says that do not be conformed to the world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind, that by testing you may discern what is the will of God, what is good and acceptable and perfect. So it's always very important for me to just guard my mind, as the scripture says today, and so that I can start my day. There I am trying to stretch. I just took a clip of me one of the mornings stretching after my exercise, just to keep sane and just to keep my mind in a good place as well. Because despite being in quarantine, we know that we connect with the world through our devices, but at the same time you still do not want this some negative influences in your life or in your mind or in your heart, because they may destroy you right there in quarantine. So what they did actually here when I arrived is that we were given the linen. You have the linen, you have the fresh towels, everything, because when you're in quarantine, no one is allowed in your room. So there's going to be no one to clean your room. You have to do it yourself. You have to clean your space and make sure that it's all right. And I think it's some kind of therapeutic, really, because it gives you something to do, because you're in this room for 10 days. So here I am today. I just thought, because it's day 3, I can just change my bed, my sheets, and put things together. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, me putting all of this together. I just wanted to change my pillow as well, because I think I've had it here for 3 days, so I needed something fresh. And these are some of the sheets that I will use later on. And I'm just clearing my space for the day. It gives you something to do, if you know what I mean. sometimes it really gets therapeutic. Yeah, so this is what I meant when I at the beginning of the video when I said that I want to just be as real as possible. I told you guys that I want to go through this journey with you. So yeah, so this is my day. This is what it looks like. Because I'm working around the house, I just put on my socks because I have carpet here on the floor, so it's just better, it feels better to wear my socks. So we were given this cleaning pack when I came in, and as you can see here, I'm trying to disinfect a few things. Like once in a while I'm just going to disinfect, because I'm sure we all know that it's so important in this day to make sure that everything is disinfected and clean. I know that you might think that, oh, you're alone, what do you need disinfecting for? But it's just keeping a hygienic place even for us. So yes, my breakfast just came in, guys. I wanted to give you a view of what my breakfast would looks like. Here's my sandwich. You saw my apple juice there. And in here I'm having some croissants, a nutrition bar, and a yogurt and an apple. Yeah, so basically sometimes that's what I order, and I'm not going to lie to you, breakfast it's a better meal in this place because I love tasty food. So I'm continuing with my cleaning. So my linen, there it is, I put it in the plastic and I will leave it outside the door so that they come and they pick it up, because I'm currently on quarantine and I cannot go anywhere. I need to be in here. So I am continuing with cleaning and I'm disinfecting this area because this is the area where I'm mostly busy. And as you can see, there are some drawers here. Quarantine, it's 10 days, so you want to really feel comfortable in this place. So I just went into the bathroom and made sure that I just put everything in order and try and disinfect everything else so that I get it ready for you guys. So this is what we got. I found it here when I came in, and here we have like the toilet brush, to clean the toilet. What's on it is like the paper towel that you'll see me using every time I'm cleaning the house and disinfecting. After disinfecting, my favorite thing. Okay, let's just close the door. Anyways, let's continue. All right. So this is the paper towel that I was telling you about, and inside we have the dishwasher. You see me still use the dishwasher there, and then you have the disinfected cleaner, daily toilet cleaner, your domestos kind of a thing, and then you have the multi-purpose cleaner, so your place remains nice and clean. I'm so happy about this one. We have a microwave, which means that I don't have to eat my food immediately. It's a little fridge, yeah. And then from there you can get into the bathroom. So guys, I tried to clean this up for us so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. This come with the bathroom. You have a shower gel, you have a hand wash, and you have conditioner and shampoo, and that is what we have over there. Hello. Okay, and then there are some towels there. I love how big the mirror is. I really like it. Yeah, and then you have this magnifier right there. Yeah, you have that magnifying, and the plug's just behind it. Your towels are there, and then what I love about it also, it's a shower. You see, it's really a nice spacious shower this side. Yeah, that's my shower gel because I've used it a few times. So the towel down there on the floor, this is always what I do when I come to the hotels because I just don't like how cold the tile is. So so that when I go to the bathroom or when I go to the bath or to the shower, the towel is there. Moving on. Okay, this is the reading desk that's here, where I'm sitting most of the time when I'm in class or eating. These are some of the food that came in. I have my breakfast and my lunch in there. I have eaten a bit. That's dessert. I even asked them not to give me food this evening because I still have so much to eat. Otherwise, that's a TV. There's a TV. There's a TV right there, but there's a phone there where I can always call them whenever I need anything in the room, because it's quarantine. We're not allowed to go outside. Yeah, so that's how it is. I cleaned my bin today so that you guys will see it a bit clean. And let's come into my bedroom side. My panda there. Yes, so this is the side lamp that you have there, and that's another side lamp. That's where I love to sleep. Of course, you see my journal with Bible there, and planner, yeah, and the clock right there, closer to it for the timer. And then what they have, which is what I did today as well, they have this for changing your bed, because during quarantine no one comes into your room, so no one can come and clean it. So you have the linen, the clean linen, and the pillowcases that they have comes with it. I just took it out because I needed to show it to you guys. So I have the pleasure of having this couch where I can relax, and here's the window. Let me fix that. And I love these heavy curtains because whenever I close them, it gets really dark and I can sleep. I can actually sleep, yeah. So that's the couch, and these are the two little stools there. I can easily put my legs on them. And then, okay, so I unpacked, guys. This drawers can go. I unpacked, and the reason I unpacked is because I'm in quarantine. It's 10 days. You want to be properly comfortable there with them, but this cannot close so well. They don't stay closed. But anyways, I packed some of the stuff that I'm going to be using in these drawers. And my favorite part of it is this corner. Yeah, okay, sorry about the cling. So that corner, it's a corner in which I can sit down and read my book. It's under the lamp. I really like it. So some of the bags that I have, I just put them there. These are my bags. That's the corner, the reading corner for me, or meditation corner. That's what I named it, because I really want to feel comfortable and feel at home in the room. Yeah, so this is it, guys, and this is my desk where I attend my classes, the room, and this is where I spend the rest of my quarantine. And to tell the truth, I think because my schedule has been so busy, I'm enjoying being in this place. I'm able to exercise, I'm able to wake up and do other things in the morning. Yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let us talk about what more content you want to see. In my next video, I am going to be discussing the COVID-19 regulations that are in place right now in London, especially when you're from international. Watch out for that. And right now I have already taken my first test and gotten the results, but I'm going to update you on that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.